Plants that replace dishcloths in nature. The earth-based way of cleaning. Peace to the remnant. I'm standing here with the Loquat tree, an evergreen on this land. A tree that stays green in every season. And a tree that carries more usefulness than most people realize. Today I want to teach you about something simple, something ancient, and something we've forgotten. The plants in nature that replace dishcloths. The plants you can use to wash bowls, cups, pots, and utensils without any processing at all. See, Adam didn't have cloth. He didn't have towels. He didn't have woven fabrics or manufactured scrubbers. He had creation. And creation already had everything he needed. And the Loquat tree is one of those providers. The Loquat leaf is strong, flexible, and durable. The underside has a natural scrubbing texture. The top side wipes water and residue away like a squeegee. This leaf can wash a dish from start to finish. No cloth required. But the Loquat is not the only plant that does this. The land is full of natural dishwashing tools. Magnolia leaves are thick and sturdy, perfect for scrubbing plates and wiping pots. Tulip tree leaves are broad and flexible, shaped like a natural towel you can fold in your hand. Cattail leaves can be bundled into a natural scrubber that work just like a folded cloth. Sphagnum moss acts like a sponge, absorbent, soft, and naturally antimicrobial. Plantain leaves and burdock leaves wipe bowls and cups clean with nothing but water. None of these require weaving. None require boiling. None require processing. You simply pick them and use them. This is the ancient way. This is the Adam way. This is the earth-based way of cleaning. We've been trained to believe we need products, chemicals, and manufactured tools to do simple tasks. But the first man didn't. And the land around you proves you don't either. When you wash dishes with plants, you're not just cleaning. You're returning to the original design. You learn how creation was meant to serve you. You learn how the Most High built wisdom into the land itself. The Loquat tree is evergreen. It stays ready. It stays useful. It stays present. And it reminds you that the earth provides in every season. So as I stand here with this loquat tree, I honor the simplicity of creation. I honor the plants that cling. I honor the leaves that scrub. I honor the moss that absorbs. I honor the land that still teaches those who are willing to listen. These are the plants that replace dishcloths in nature. This is earth-based living. This is the ancient path. This is the wisdom of the land.